Welcome. If you've ever wondered who's actually seen your messages in a group chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on read receipts in your group messenger chats so you'll always know when your messages have been read. This is the updated method, so you'll be set with the latest steps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Messenger app. Once you're in, take a look at your list of chats and tap on the group conversation where you want to enable read receipts. This could be your family group, your friends' chat, or even a project team. Any group conversation will work. Next, look to the top of your screen. You'll see the group's name or maybe a group picture right at the top. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up the group settings and information page, where you can customize all sorts of things for your group chat. Now, scroll down through the options until you find the one that says Read Receipts. It might take a second to spot it, but keep scrolling and you'll see it. Once you've found Read Receipts, tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show Read Receipts. If it's off, just tap the switch to turn it on. That's it. From now on, whenever someone in the group reads your message, you'll get a little notification or indicator showing that your message has been seen. No more guessing or wondering if your important updates are being missed. Enabling read receipts can make group chats way more transparent and help everyone stay on the same page. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. And there you have it, quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.